Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a business account on Instagram. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, having a dedicated business account on Instagram can help you showcase your products or services to a wider audience. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Go to your profile and tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Step 2. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 3. For some accounts, the Switch to Professional Account option will be listed directly under Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Tap on Account Type and Tools. Step 5. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Step 6. Tap Continue to proceed. Step 7. Select a category for your business and tap Done. Step 8. Tap OK to confirm. Step 9. Tap on Business. Step 10. Tap Next. Step 11. Add your contact details and tap Next. If you want to skip this step, tap on Don't use my contact info. Step 12. If you want to share logins using Account Center, tap Continue. This step is optional. If you want to skip it, tap Not Now. Step 13. Set up your professional account by completing the optional steps or tap the X on the top right corner to return to your profile. Step 14. To display or hide business information on your profile, go to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Under Public Business Information, go to Profile Display to choose whether you want to hide or display your category label and contact info. Then, tap Done. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to set up a business account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.